Developing your list building plan. Before you rush into implementing your list building and email marketing business, you need a plan. There are a number of things that you need to consider, and we will cover these in this video. Everything from the niche that you're going to choose to the sales funnel has to be considered. Avoid the temptation to just jump into this. You must treat this as a real business that will replace the income that you are earning at the moment pretty quickly. If you don't have a proper list building and email marketing plan, then you will not get the optimum value that you want from your subscribers. What niche and why? You sure have a lot of niches to choose from. A lot of so-called experts would tell you that you should choose a niche that you are passionate about. This will work only if there is a large demand for products and services in that niche. Some niches are tougher than others when it comes to building your subscriber numbers and making sales and commissions. Some niches have a huge supply of products and services that you can choose from to make money, and others do not. You do not want to spend time and money building an email list and then being unable to monetize it. Our advice when it comes to niche selection is simple. Go where the money is. The niche that we strongly recommend that you consider is the Make Money Online MMO niche, sometimes called Internet Marketing. This niche is huge, and there is a never-ending demand for it. Everybody understands what this niche is, and there are a very large number of hungry buyers in it. Is it possible to be passionate about making money? You bet it is. This will be an exciting journey for you as you build your list numbers and see the money rolling in. Imagine being able to send an email out to your list about a great making money offer that converts well. You can make thousands from doing this. Just one email. Choose the Make Money Online niche. There are a lot of negative people out there who will tell you that there is no room left in the MMO niche. They will tell you that it is saturated and too competitive. Well, it isn't saturated, but it is competitive. And guess what? Competition is good because it proves that there is money to be made. The demand for making money will never dry up. There will always be something for you to promote in the MMO niche as well. New products and services are being launched every day. There are no other niches that compare in opportunity. Not all of the products are great, and later we will show you how to choose the high-converting ones. Why you need a sales funnel. When each new subscriber joins your list, you want them to go through an automated process that provides them with value and offers them something to purchase. To understand how a sales funnel works, consider the diagram below. There is nothing difficult to understand about this concept, and setting it up is easy too. Your sales funnel must be set up before you send traffic to your squeeze page, opt-in page. We will take you through setting up your squeeze page later in this training. If you want to outsource this work, then this is also possible. So let's take a look at the individual sales funnel components. The squeeze page. On a squeeze page, you will present an enticing offer that there will be a box where the visitor can enter their email address. On a squeeze page, you never add any other links, so the visitor will opt into your email list or they will leave. Just give them one of two choices and keep it simple for the best results. Once they have entered their email address and click the button on your squeeze page, they will go through your sales funnel. Your squeeze page has to look good so that you get the most opt-ins possible. Here is an example of a simple but effective squeeze page. This squeeze page took a few minutes to create using WordPress and a plugin that is free. You will be shown how to create a similar page in a later video. You will notice that there are no other links, so if the visitor does not enter their email address and click the button, the only other choice is to leave the page. These squeeze pages have high conversion rates. Autoresponder service. You need a place to store your email subscribers and the tools to capture email addresses. This is best provided by an autoresponder service. You can host your own autoresponder service, and we will explain why you shouldn't do that in a moment. An autoresponder will provide you with a necessary code to create the all-important email box on your squeeze page. It will capture every email address entered and store them in a list that you have set up. You can pay for a service monthly from a company such as Aweber, GetResponse, or MailChimp, or host your own software. If you purchase your own autoresponder software and host it, then you will not pay monthly autoresponder service fees. This sounds good, right? Well, there are some downsides with this approach. Installing and setting up hosted autoresponder software will definitely require a degree of technical know-how. If you are on a shared web hosting, then there will be limitations about the number of emails that you can send out every day. You do not want your business to be restricted by limitations. Our advice is to use an autoresponder service. A high-quality lead magnet. You need more than just a pretty squeeze page for people to enter their email address and join your list. There needs to be a valuable incentive that your visitor feels is worth trading their email address for. This incentive is often called a lead magnet, and it is a vital component of your list building process. Think about it for a moment. These days, most people receive a lot of emails on a daily basis. They are going to be very selective about who they share their email address with. You must provide valuable information in your lead magnet and make it an attractive proposition on your squeeze page. A very popular lead magnet format is a free PDF report. As long as it provides valuable information, a few pages are okay. Don't give away too much in your lead magnet. More secrets can be revealed in a premium ebook that will be your one-time offer, OTO. Other alternative formats are videos and MP3 audio files. You can conduct interviews with successful people or provide some important training. If you have high-quality PLR, then you can use this as your lead magnet. If your PLR is not high quality, then don't use it. One-time offer, OTO page. As an example, let's assume that your lead magnet is all about free website traffic. You will show some ways that your reader can generate free traffic for their products or services. Your subscriber will certainly be interested in free traffic, or they would not have subscribed to your list. So create a product that you can sell as an OTO that reveals even more free traffic sources. Your new email subscriber will see this OTO as soon as they have entered their email address and click the Submit button on your squeeze page. At this stage, they will not have access to their free report yet. Your OTO product will be closely related to the information in the lead magnet, so they will have a level of interest. You will tell them that they will only see the offer one time, and this will make them feel under pressure. They will immediately have feelings of missing out if they do not make the purchase. If your OTO is of high quality, and it needs to be, then you should experience high conversions. A lot of people worry that they will lose out if the new subscriber does not purchase the OTO, as they will never see it again. Well, here is an idea to overcome that problem that not many people know about. You tell your subscriber that they can purchase the OTO later, but they will pay more for it. So, for an example, the product as an OTO is offered at a discount price of $9, and if they want to get it later, then it will cost them $17. Your download pages. The function of a download page is to provide access to the free lead magnet or OTO product. If your new subscriber declines to purchase the OTO, then they will be taken to a page which tells them how they will get access to the free lead magnet. More on this below. If they have purchased the OTO product, then you need a download page for them to access this. Never let your new subscriber have immediate download access to the free lead magnet. Why? Because some people will use a fake email address in an attempt to access the lead magnet without having to receive any emails from you. This is a form of stealing if you think about it. Instead, tell your new subscriber that they will be provided with instructions for access to the free lead magnet via email. If the email address they provided is fake, then they will never get your lead magnet. This brings us nicely on to single and double opt-in list building. With double opt-in, the subscriber will need to confirm their email address by clicking on a confirmation link in the first email that they receive. With single opt-in, there is no confirmation process. We recommend double opt-in, as this confirms that a person really wants what you have to offer. Here is an example of a page that explains everything to the visitor. Online Money Power email confirmation. You are just one click away from generating all the free traffic that you need. Dear Internet Marketer, shortly, you will receive an email asking you to confirm your subscription to the Online Money Power email list, which is going to be in all likelihood one of the most important decisions that you have ever made. Please also check your spam email box to see if it has landed there by mistake. It will be from Online Money Power. Make sure that if it has ended up there, that you mark it as not spam. Yes, You will receive this incredible free traffic report once you confirm. And on top of that, I will send you more life-changing emails in the subsequent days with answers to questions regularly asked by people who are looking for ways to generate free traffic. Just be sure that you've included an email that you use and check regularly. Click here and go back and subscribe with a more preferred email. Please note that if you use a fake email address, you will not receive this incredible training. I can't wait to see you inside. The Online Money Power Team. This approach works really well. If your visitor used a fake email address, they have the chance to start over and use a real address. If they use a working email address, you are prompting them to confirm their address to receive their free lead magnet and advising them to check their spam folder for your email. More and more emails are ending up in spam folders these days. If your subscriber has a Gmail address, then this is very likely. So you need to tell your potential subscriber about this problem. Put in that little extra effort at the front end to gain more long-term email subscribers. Email follow-ups. The final part of your sales funnel are your email follow-ups. This is a sequence of emails that you have pre-written and loaded into your autoresponder so that they can be sent automatically to your new subscriber. These will be triggered as soon as the email address is confirmed. You should write at least 7 follow-up emails. Load them up in your autoresponder so that your new subscriber receives a new email each day from you for the first week. Use the emails for relationship and trust building. Provide more valuable information here. Don't be tempted to blast out 7 days worth of promotional offers. If you have decided to use the 2-price OTO strategy, then you can refer to this in a couple of the emails. They can ignore this if they already have your OTO. You want your new subscriber to become accustomed to receiving regular emails from you, so this follow-up sequence is vital. If you just give them access to your free lead magnet, then they will forget about you very quickly. Put the effort in from the beginning. All autoresponders have a broadcast facility where you can send emails to some or all of your subscribers at any time. You can use this after the 7 emails have been received or even at the same time.